Alrighty here. We'll just start this off. We got a Kennedy box here that I got from a antique store. I think I paid maybe 60 or 50 bucks for it. Start off at the top. So we got our AB Tools conversion tab chart here. So up here in the top we have a Essential Tools. What is it? A 2 to 3 micrometer here. Picked this up at a tool store. Haven't used it that much yet. And then we got the Starrett 196 classic. Everyone has one of these. My grandpa gave this one to me. And then right here, it's probably the best tool we got in the box. There it is. My grandpa also gave me this one. Starrett 123. Then we got a little Allen tool here to take the vice straws off faster. Saves a lot of time. Let's see, the first drawer we have telescoping gauges. Just a mixed match pair. Alright, so in this drawer we got an old Starrett indicator here. I think it's a 564. Yeah, that's what it says, 564. Never seems to be gummed up or something. Never used it for any parts or anything yet. We just got some files in this drawer. And in this drawer we got a pair of Fowlers, 0 to 6 inches. And then we got a pair of round sharps. I really like these ones. Seem to be made well. Nice big display on it. And then in the bottom here we have a Essential Tools def mic. My grandpa scored this at a garage sale for dirt cheap, I'm pretty sure. And then we have Fowler dial indicator. Alright, and then this drawer, we got a Starrett 1 to 2 inch here. Pretty nice. It's the, what do they call it, the Starrett global brand, so I think it's made in China, but seems to still be good Starrett quality though. And then behind it we have a Etalon 0 to 1 inch micrometer. Got this at a swap meet, 20 bucks I think. Pretty heavy and solid. But yeah, that about does it for this toolbox.